this is the rear brake.
Rear brake, it's kind of sketchy, so.
Oh, this is comfortable already.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Thank you.
I mean, if it starts.
This thing is freaking dope. I need it. I need one. I need one. I need one. I need one. I don't care. This is so much fun. Like, imagine, like, I can just ride this around my house all day. I can ride this around the neighborhood all day. This thing is so much fun. The acceleration is hard. I can't wheelie it though. I need it. I'm at the point I might as well just buy this from you. I'm at the point I might as well buy it from you.
Whose bike is this? Yours? This is. Oh.
That is so much fun.
Oh, that's the horn?